Boil 2 cups of chopped fresh young hairs in 4 glasses of water for 15 minutes. Drink the decoction following this dosage. At si buhok kang mais.
Bukan mais talaga yan.
Kaya ko lang na-realize.
Mais
Buhok
hair.
kang mais.
Mais hair.
Yan, adult. Sa adult po, may ano man pala siya, ano. Sa adult po, 1 glass, 3 times a day. Sa children, 2 to 6 years old, half cup lang po 3 times a day. 7 to 12 years old, 1 cup 2 times a day.
Ning ano ba din?
May mga ano man pala sila.
Kapag ang mais mali ko, itong may dako.
Yan, sa asthma man po, ipanin kita ng treatment sa asthma. Water treatments, kaya mahalaga talaga ang tubig. So yan, apply fomentation on the chest 2 times a day. Use steam inhalation 2 times a day. Do breathing exercises for 10 to 15 minutes when there is no attack of asthma 4 times a day. Yan, breathing exercises po. Sit, relax on a chair with the back supported by a pillow. Yan, si may mga asthma aki. Breathe in through the nose. Burst the lips and pretend to blow through a straw. Blow out twice as long as you breathe in. Gradually lengthen the time blowing. Yan. Relax after blowing and take 3 or 4 normal breaths before you start the first breathing again. This can be done in the morning upon waking up and in the evening before retiring. This may be performed also when short of breath while doing other exercises. Yan. Sa mga herbal medication po, talumpunay leaves. Aram po nito yan. Talumpunay. Yan. Ano po? Kabuhaw. Ayan. Maroon da po kamong tuwang dried leaves. Smoke every 6 hours.
Ay, masigarilyo. Masigarilyo. Pausok. Pinili niya pausok.
Yan. Kalachuchi leaves. Roll 2 dried leaves. Smoke leaves in the morning. Ganun man lang isang ano. Yan. Kaso, ito kaya sa ano to, machine keto. Ini, pang ano lang talaga. Pausok ka lang.
Pausok ka talaga.
Yan. Smoke leaves, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Sampalok bark. Sampalok bark.
Ubak ning ano. Sampalok sa buon. Ubak.
Chop and boil a 1 foot long piece of bark in 3 glasses of water for 10 minutes. Drink the decoction following this dosage. Sa adult po, 1 cup after every meal and at bedtime. Sa children, sa babies po, 2 teaspoon 4 times a day. After meals and at bedtime. After meals po siya, ano? Sa 2 to 12 years man po, half cup 4 times a day. After meals and at bedtime. Okay, next. Yan. Pulitis, leaves, and flowers. Pulitis. Yan. Boil 5 chopped young stems with flowers and leaves in 5 glasses of water for 10 minutes. Drink the decoction following this dosage. 1 cup 4 times a day. Sa akin po, 2 teaspoon 4 times a day. Sa 2 to 12 years old, half cup 4 times a day. Yan, note, this treatment is especially good for excessive mucus discharge. Ito yung grabe ang plebang, ano po. Yan, sa athlete foods man po kita. Ang athlete foods, alipunga or tinye pedis is an eruption on the skin characterized by the formation of itchy. Yan ang alipunga baga magatol. Ano po, yan, lalo na pag perming basa ang bitis. Yan, so, mape-preventa po siya. Keep feet and toes always clean and dry. Always wear clean and dry socks and shoes. Don't wear other slippers, sneakers, socks, and shoes. Don't let others wear. Kasi pwedeng makahawa po yan. Ano? And don't go barefoot inside the bathroom. Wear own rubber slippers in public bathrooms, swimming pools, and river beds. Kasi ang swimming pool baga syempre
Stuck.
Gamit.
Water.
So if your feet are infected, put your slippers and shoes under the sun for 1 hour every day for 1 week when not in use. Para po magadan si bacteria. Ano? So, dapat gabos talaga, lalo na kung may balik ka, kung may kutsyon ka, kung dapat ano? Lalo na si may mga babies. Ano? Kaya, minsan yan, water treatments man po using herbal decoction. Makabuhay vine. Chop 1 foot long portion of the vine and boil in 5 glasses of water for 15 minutes. Yeah, soak the infected foot in the hot decoction for 15 minutes or as can be tolerated. While foot is soaked, rub cotton applicators between the toes, removing the dead skin. Kasi po pag may alipungan baga kita, may mga babakbak. Ano po? Yan. Yan, si mga ano. Yan. So yan, ang pampatanggal ka po dyan, ano lang siya ng cotton. Ano? Between the toes, removing the dead skin and treating the cycle, soak for 10 minutes more. After the removal of the dead skin, soak the foot 2 times a day for severe infection. Otherwise, soak once a day only. Yan, ang Acapulco leaves po, crush young leaves and extra juice. Apply the juice directly between the toes and the other affected areas after the hot foot bath in the Makabuhay vine decoction. Yan, daw po inindo yan mga herbal plants na yan, at siya mahihiling po inindo yan. Ano, ipapahiling ko sa inyo kung anong klaseng mga herbal plants. Kamantige flowers. Ako nga nito, non-familiar sa inyo.
Ay, ma'am, ito yan, ma'am, ano yan?
Ano yan?
Ito, ma'am, bagang nagbuburak man siya, pili ano man, na ang bunga, pag inarog mo kaya, na ano siya,
Bilog?
day man siya bilog, ma'am. Medyo palabat, mga, ang kaanuhan kayan, ma'am, kalabaan ng bunga arog kayan.
Oh, salit lang.
Lasari-sari kulay man,
Kamantige.
ano niya.
Chop flowers. Apply as poultice on infected part after hot foot bath in the Makabuhay vine decoction. Balanoy leaves. Aram po nito ang balanoy. Balanoy. Yung balanoy. Yan. Chop leaves and extra juice. Apply the juice directly on the affected part after hot foot bath in the Makabuhay vine decoction. Kanya pistula. Leaves. Crush young leaves and extract juice. Apply on the affected part after hot foot bath in the Makabuhay. Baka at siya niya, ang nalilin sa palibot na ano, may talaga papansin. Yan. So, Rabanus